Okay, go ahead and get the question in your notes, and then I'll tell you what I want you to do with it. So after you get it written down, just stop. Okay, you got it? So leave some space beneath it, and I'm going to tell you the things that I want you to try. If you can do all of these things today, you're in really pretty good shape. So the first thing I want you to do, obviously, this is for oxygen. Calculate average atomic mass, just like the problem told you. Then after that, I want you to use oxygen, and I want number of protons, number of neutrons, number of electrons, just oxygen off the periodic table is what I'm talking about. I want hyphen notation. I want nuclear symbol. I want mass number, atomic number, and let's see. I want to know, last thing, how does your calculated average atomic mass compare to the mass of oxygen on the periodic table? Okay, see if you can work through that. Like if you can answer every one of those questions. Try to do it without flipping back and looking at any of your notes and see how you do. Raise your hand if you're done. Now raise your hand if you're done. Okay, I'll wait just a couple more minutes. Okay, are we good? You ready to get through it? So first of all, I said calculate the average atomic mass. When I calculated it, as it was on that paper, this is what I got. Did you get that? Lots of heads shaking yes. Raise your hand if you didn't get it. It's okay. If you need to see it, then we need to do it. I'm going to flip this for a minute. This is how I put it into my calculator. And I did it all in one long sequence. I put 0.99762. I changed my percent to a decimal times 15.99. What else do I have? 4917. Okay, and then I put my parenthesis on, and then I did plus. I turned my next one into a decimal percent, 0.00038 times 16.999131 plus, and then I did the parenthesis again, 0.0020 times 17.999160. And then I hit my equal sign, or my enter sign. You can put the whole thing at once. You got to be careful with your parentheses, though, because if you leave a parenthesis off, it will mess everything up. Now, are there any questions about how I got that equation? No? We good? So, why did I tell you to compare it to the periodic table? I don't know what I just did with that list. There it is. Yeah, if I'm close, really pretty close, then I know I've done things correctly. This, I believe, matches perfectly to your purple periodic table. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Any questions? Any other questions about that? All right, so when I just use my periodic table, how many protons do I have? 8. Maddie, how many neutrons? 8. Oh, look how that works out. How many electrons? Anybody? 8. Hyphen notation should look like oxygen. This should be a 16, yes? How about nuclear symbol? O, 16, 8. I should turn my phone off. Okay. So what was the mass number? 16. My atomic number was 8. Yeah? Be sure you can work one of those problems all the way through like that. I'm going to show you 1 or 2 more math things on Friday. Talk about Monday's quiz. Today we're going to do lab, which I think will take us into tomorrow. Okay? So I'm going to stop that there.